Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about sharks, the king of the sea, the predator of the ocean. But to humans, they are just larger, more vicious fish that are caught for many purposes, such as for skin and meat, and especially using their fins to make controversial shark fin soup. In this video, join us in exploring the process of hunting and processing giant sharks, which we guarantee will have many interesting and surprising things. Let's go. Global shark hunting and processing has become a large-scale industry, with participation from many countries around the world. Sharks, with their diversity of species and sizes, are an important resource for many local and international economies. Shark hunting takes place in many different sea areas, from shallow water areas to deep water areas far from shore. Hunting means can be specialized fishing vessels, nets, or even small fisheries. This job requires the patience and skill of fishermen, especially when facing large and powerful sharks. Experts advise people to attack back if threatened by a shark because of their size and strength. When attacking, you should use a hard object to hit their nose, making them temporarily unable to attack. And then you should try to get to shore as soon as possible, because a blow to the nose only weakens the shark temporarily. If you have the chance, you should hit their eyes and ears because they are sensitive parts. According to marine experts, the total number of sharks in all seas can reach 1 billion. About 100 million sharks are caught each year. Some are in danger of extinction in countries that do not have a bandana. And the most caught fish are Indonesia, India, Spain, and Taiwan. They are often caught with other types of fish, but in the above countries, they catch them directly. Are you brave enough to do this? Surprise the whole world of fishermen. Harvest fins because they are extremely valuable accountants. For about $380 million of the $1 billion annual trade in shark products, the trade is unregulated and in many cases, some vessels cut off shark fins while they are still there. Live before throwing them back into the water to drown the long-banned shark fin soup. A status dish in Asian countries, especially China, where its origin can be traced to a Song Dynasty emperor who is said to have invented the dish to demonstrate his power. With its power and wealth, shark fins were eventually honored as one of the 4 treasures of Chinese cuisine, along with abalone and sea cucumbers, causing much concern from the international community. Shark fins feed the Asian food industry. Once caught, sharks are transported to processing facilities where they are cut into pieces and processed into various products. From fresh shark meat to packaged meat, these products are distributed throughout the world market, from restaurants to grocery stores and supermarkets. We also eat them and find them similar to other fish. They look quite similar to tuna, and finally the most notorious product, frozen fish fins, are only processed and exported immediately, and of course, the destination of they will be China. Hong Kong has always been the biggest customer here because of overfishing and the need for shark fins to make soup. More than a quarter of the world's sharks are considered endangered. Now let's see how sharks will be treated. After catching them, these are small blue sharks common in the West Sea Spain, and they were taken to Vigo, the world's largest shark port. Fresh sharks will be processed here before being exported. And can you guess which country is the biggest consumer? Please comment to let us know that the internal organs will be removed, leaving only meat and fins. Every day, hundreds of sharks will be removed. Sharks brought into Spain have risen to second place after Indonesia in terms of the number of sharks brought to this port. However, shark hunting also encounters many controversies and challenges related to environmental protection and sustainability. Overhunting and illegal trade have led to a decline in shark populations worldwide, affecting the ecological balance and biodiversity of the ocean. Therefore, the management and protection of shark resources is a top priority for the international community. With many efforts being put in place to ensure the sustainability of these resources into the future. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope the above information is useful to you. Remember to subscribe and press the bell button here to receive our latest and useful videos. And watch this video with me.